Today in front of me I have the Redmi 13, and in this video I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity problems on this device. So I recommend that you start by checking if perhaps your system is in the Do Not Disturb or airplane mode, and if it is true, switch both of those features off. The quickest way to check that is to open the control panel, find the airplane mode tile and switch it off if it is enabled, and the same goes for the DND or Do Not Disturb mode. Once this step is out of the way and it didn't help or it wasn't true in your case, you can try switching off some phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE or Wi-Fi calls. In order to do that, launch Settings, enter the Mobile Networks category. Here select the SIM card you are experiencing issues with, and here switch off the Use VoLTE and make calls using Wi-Fi functions. And the final troubleshooting advice that I have for you guys is that you take out the SIM card and wipe it clean with some kind, or well, not whole SIM card, but the contact part, the contact point of your SIM card with a cloth, preferably if this cloth is dipped in some kind of electronics friendly cleaning solution, or regular alcohol should do just fine, since it is a non-conductive liquid which cleans impurities. And well, you can also contact your carrier or mobile operator, cellular network provider, however those companies are called in your particular country, and well, just contact them and see if the issue lays on their end, since that can also be a possibility. Anyway, as far as this particular video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.